What's up, man?
Thanks, man.
Oh, yeah. Oh, here we go. Hey, Big D. I hear all the time agents saying that they want to help me even after the close. What does that mean? How does an agent help me after the close? There's things that we do after the close as agents that you just might not understand, and that's why you're asking this question. No big deal. I'm gonna help you answer that question somewhere other than here, because this is my office. I'm pretty sure I just hit a guy in the face with a door. I'll be back. You okay, man? You ever just wanted to like frolic in a field? I have. No! No! Ah! This is a dumb idea! Don't ever do that. It was not as fun as it used to be. May have been in my dreams. What are we doing here? So people think just because I'm your realtor, it means after you close on your house, I can't help you. That's not true. I'm here to help you with all things real estate. So, so I get contacted often after the close from my past clients that say, hey, I need something done at my house. So you may want to, I don't know, redo your deck, make it larger, maybe enclose it, add an addition, maybe add a bath. Anything you need when it comes to your house and household needs, I've got a Rolodex filled with people that can help you with those needs. Another thing that I do is past client events. Essentially, this is where I invite all of my past clients, people that I know, like, trust, that have used me in real estate, all the people that I'm gonna refer out to you to get all your stuff done at your house that you might need done. All of these people I want at my event so that you can all meet each other. This way you can network a little bit, but it also allows me just to give back to you as the client that allowed me to come in and help you with your real estate needs. And finally, if you need somebody that has a pulse on the market, knows the market, understands the market, works in the market constantly, just to find out for you how much your house may be worth, or find out, is it the right time for me to move? What better person to go to than your past realtor? It's somebody that already knows your current situation, somebody that already has dealt with you before. Even if it's not you, say it's a family member or a friend that's looking to buy, sell, or invest. That's what I'm here for. As a real estate agent, we're here for you in the long run. We're not just here for the close and we get our check and walk away. I feel like that's what a lot of people think, and that's just not true. We're here for after the close as well. We're here for you for life. I love real estate, I love people, I love helping people, it's my passion. So what better way for me to go ahead and give back to you than to help you with your real estate needs going forward? That's all I got, bro. So if you're looking for a realtor that's gonna stick with you after the close, I'm your guy. Or anybody that you do talk to should be doing the same thing as your real estate agent. I'd love to help you with your real estate needs. That's why we do the show. Also to educate you a little bit on real estate and the questions that you may have. So if you do have any questions, please put them in the comments below. We'd love to look at those questions, potentially make an episode out of it. We have a lot of fun doing this, guys, but we couldn't do it without you, the viewer. Thank you guys so much for joining us again on another episode of Smart Moves. Talk to you soon. I blacked out about halfway through. I mean, it's not fun. It is what it is.
Hey, so what's your answer to that question?
Shucks. I don't know. If it was me, I'd probably help you. All right, let's do this. This tastes terrible. It's like choking me. After the close, I'd probably give you a big old handshake. Then take a straight and yeah, right there. You know, well, that's the easiest way without scissors. That's what they told me back in Nam. All right.
They had wheat and Nam.
They had wheat and Nam.
We fight in the wheat field.
What? It's like, Derek, no, that was rice patties. It's rice patties. And I'm like, love them kernels of rice. That's corn.
So I think the whole take is like people are getting reached out to by other realtors saying like, hey, I can.
So people think just because it's literally just like I'm like So what happens with your real estate agent after you close? Some real estate agents don't talk to you ever after you close. I, on the other hand, talk to you every single day. I'll call and bug the ish out of you. If I don't have the answer for you when it comes to your real estate needs, that's dumb. That's real dumb. Let me do it again. My referral partners, all of the people that I might be able to refer out to you to do your homework, said homework. That's so embarrassing. I love people. People love me. I love loving on people. Sorry, so sorry.
It's weird, we're laughing at the same frequency, and in my headphones I can hear you wheezing to my laugh. It's really weird.
Oh God, let's wrap it up. Ready? I'm your realtor today, tomorrow, forevermore. I'm Derek Trainer.
Nailed it.
Yeah, boo. Yeah, boo. Yeah, boo. Yeah, boo. Is that how it's said?